This one, identity already. So left-hand side, you expand this. Ax times x is ax squared. Ax times 6 is 6ax. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times 6 is negative 30. So x squared is one term alone. The second and the third term are x terms. You combine this, and the third term, you just leave it a constant term. The last term is constant terms. This one, expand this, bx squared, and then 12b, and then minus c. You see, these two terms with no x. So how can we change it? We can write one more step. Bx squared plus cox plus 12b minus c. So what can we get? Ax squared equal to bx squared for the x squared term. Right. I'll write down the statement first. Comparing like terms. For the x term, a equals to b. For the x term, 6a minus 5 will be equals to 0. For the constant term, that means without x, constant term, negative 30 equals 12b plus c, 12b minus c. Okay, so a equals to b. A, this one you can calculate, a equals to 5 over 6. So b is also 5 over 6. So put it here. 12 times 5 over 6 minus c. 12 over 6 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus c. So negative 30. You copy this down. C you move to here, positive 10, and then plus 30. So C will be 40, like that. Look at the question again before you go to the next question. Okay, find A, B, C. Yeah, a bit hard. Okay, this one, simplify this. There's a minus. You bracket this two first, then copy the questions, and then for the first term, you multiply this denominator in both numerator and denominator. For the second one, you multiply x minus 1 on both numerator and denominator. Then, if you're fast enough, you can write this one at once. X times x plus 1 minus 1 times x minus 1. The numerator there can combine, and the positive, the denominator will be like this. X minus 1, x plus 1, and write together like this. Then you just need to focus on the numerator. Denominator, you just keep it. X times x, x squared. X times 1, 1x. And then x squared plus x minus x plus 1. Missing one step. X squared minus x minus x minus x, and then plus 1. And the denominator keeping the same, x plus 1, x minus 1. Finally, these two cancelled, x squared plus 1, and denominator x squared, x plus 1, x minus 1 like this. After we do this, you take a break. This one, make C as a subject, okay? And there's some fractions here and here. A bit difficult, okay? So you can multiply A, B, and also A plus B for all the terms. I will say, so I will multiply A, B, bracket A plus B for all the three terms. So the first term will be A, B, and then A plus B. You cancel out the B. So it becomes C times A plus B. The second one will be 2 times A times B plus A plus B, and you cancel out the A. So it will become 2 times B times A plus B. For the right-hand side, you times A plus B and then AB. In the right-hand side, you cancel it, you say A, B, C left. So this step. Now, C is here, C is here. You can multiply into it, and then also break the bracket. So now you have C, 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 three terms with C. the other terms are without C, but you cancel out these two. These two are the same term. So only one term left with C. The other two, negative 2ab minus 2b, you move to the right-hand side, positive 2ab plus 2b squared. And then C, you can a squared, you move to down. Then for the last step, see if there's a common term in the numerator. You can factorize it out. It's better for you to factorize it out. Take out 2b and then bracket a plus b, like that. The mark may be deducted if you just write like this. You should write like this in the final answer. Let's take a break.